Hey guys, it's Nat and today I thought I'd show you a room tour. So I'm not doing it intro sitting down just because I don't want to show you my face up close because I have some problem areas, but I thought I'd finally show you my room tour because I have redone it. It used to be yellow, but I felt like I outgrew the yellow and the grey feathered wallpaper. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave a link to my previous room tour down below. But yeah, a lot of things have changed and I thought I'll show you because this is what my room looks like right now. It has looked like this for a month now and I am absolutely in love. So yeah, let's just get on into the room tour. So I thought I would start out in the hallway. This is the door. Literally, you walk in, it's the first door on your right, so I don't have far to go after I come home from work, and then this is what it looks like when you walk in. So I'll close the door and we'll start off with the door. So as you can see, the door opens this way and then this is the first corner of my room. We used to actually have this plant, I think it's from IKEA, out in the living room, but my mum was like, Natalia, can you take it to your room because there's just too many plants in there? So it now resides here and it actually has been doing great because it just opens up because it has so much space here. But yeah, and then above there I have a little shelf and then a fake hanging plant, and I think that plant's called an elephant's foot and we've had it for so many years. I think it might be as old as me. And then I keep some bags at the back of my door. And then my favorite part is this part. Like, I've always wanted a standing leaned back against the wall mirror and I finally got it recently from IKEA. You'll notice I have a lot of things from IKEA, but I love it. Finally I can see my whole outfit. It is so nice and yeah, it's just like leaning so far. It's been leaning like that for like 2 weeks, I think. Maybe a week. I don't know how long it's been. I can't remember the last time I went to IKEA. So yeah, and then we've got a weighting scale just because I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight and keeping myself accountable. And then I have 2 yoga mats. Do I need 2 yoga mats there? No, because I use the blue one the most, but it's there just in case. And then here we have the next part of my room, which again I love. I finally decided this part was the hardest, like figuring out what posters I wanted to put up and like how to put it together, but my friend helped me out. I kept sending her pictures. Sorry Brit for bugging you, but she helped me out, so that's great. And then we have my desk from IKEA, my dressers from IKEA. I just keep clothes in there. I won't show you. And then in my desk it's a mess. You don't want to see it, trust me. And then the posters that I have a lot of posters from K-pop albums. That's from The Boys, Taeyon's, Red Velvet, Baekhyun, 80s, BTS, 80s, Astro. And then I have some photos printed out. As you can see, there's Krakow, which is in Poland, Menuni, BTS. That's Yeon from Pentagon in Berlin in front of the cathedral. I love the cathedral. And then we have Seulgi from Red Velvet, and then my beautiful Seoul, South Korea Mapiful poster. I'll leave a link to the video I did with Mapiful if you're curious. And then on my desk, I try and keep it quite minimal. I didn't have the external hard drive before, like there. I used to hide it, but it's just a bit too much of a hassle, so I just keep it there. And then, actually I didn't want my crystals to be there, but one of them is covering up a burn from a candle. That's kind of one of the reasons why I stopped burning candles, because I burned my desk ages ago and it's been like that ever since. I have this cute little photo stand from Urban Outfitters and I just put a photo of my friends in here from last summer picnic. It even says like the date on it. And then my salt lamp that I got from Poland, from like one of the salt mines near Krakow. And then water. And then on my dresser I keep my university diploma because I have graduated, pen holder, my CD player with Taeyon's What Do I Call You album, some flowers, that's from IKEA as well. My iPad and my phone usually reside there when I'm not using them. The mirror is from IKEA as well. And then I put my coffee machine there. I recently got the Dolce Gusto Piccolo X small because it was on sale, and I've been making hot chocolate and black coffees and I am impressed. I really like it. It's a bit loud though, and yeah, my mom won't let me keep it in the kitchen because she says there's not enough space. And then we move on to the focal wall. As you walk in, it's opposite my door, and we have my big lovely window. I really love that I have such a big window. It gives me loads of light. I love it. And I just have a roller blind. Then I have my dream catcher. I've had that dream catcher for years. And then we have plants. Cacti are real, ones are all fake. And then my bed. The actual bed frame is from eBay. It's no longer available though, because when I tried to looking for it, it was already gone. And then the mattress that I have on there is from IKEA. Best mattress ever. And then I just have this Sloths Doing Yoga bedspread and these cute BT21 pillows. We've got RJ and Van. I just love them. They always sit on my bed even when I'm sleeping. And then I have this little cubicle that I use as my nightstand. I think it's from IKEA as well. It was really cheap. I just keep my touch bedside lamp that I actually borrowed from my parents, but they already have a new lamp, so they don't need this one. And then I have my Muji diffuser, oil diffuser. It's really good. And then in here I keep like cables in that one, and then in this one, stuff I use before bed. Recently got this jade roller and I'm impressed. It's so nice and cooling on my face. Really nice. And then my bookshelf. I love how my bookshelf looks. I used to have so many books, but now it's mostly K-pop albums and then some books. I've been reading a ton on my Kindle and audiobooks, so that's why I don't have a lot of physical books anymore. The plants, that one is from B&Q, and I have no idea where this one or this one is from. My mom just put them in my room, so sorry. But yeah, at the top we have K-pop albums. This is kind of more like 80s Baekhyun and Taeyeon. I don't know why, but I've just been putting Baekhyun and Taeyeon together. They used to date, if you didn't know. I also have a Lightini on here. She a beauty. Can't wait to one day use her finally at the 80s concert. Then we've got BTS shelf, of course. Dedicated it to the OGs that introduced me to K-pop. And then yeah, I've got Yoongi's sticker on my BTS Army Bomb. We got some books. I probably won't do a bookshelf tour, so you can kind of see what books I decided to keep in this video. Then I've got some perfume. I need to buy some more because I don't want to really use this one unless it's for special occasions. I got it for my birthday last year. And then that's a CD folder, and then this is where I keep my photo cards. I didn't realize how many I have till I flicked through it yesterday. And then I finally got some magazine holders. I feel like it looks so much better this corner than like having everything that's in them just out. So the first one just keeps like my Korean learning books and like journals, and then the second one has posters. Then we've got my Harry Potter books and some books at the bottom, and then my printer and 1 kilograms of weights, because sometimes I like using them when I'm working out. And then I thought I'd show you up close what kind of wallpaper I have. It's white bricks and I love it. It was literally like the second one I found in the store when I went to pick out wallpapers, and it was so cheap. It was like $5.99 a roll. It's from the range. The last part where my wardrobe is. I've had this wardrobe for years. Literally I've had it for like 8-9 years. Oh my god, it's been through a lot. I'm surprised it's still holding up because I moved this wardrobe by myself so many times. Literally, sometimes it felt like it was gonna break. So yeah, we have another mirror here. You're probably like, she's obsessed with looking at herself in the mirror. But yeah, I just have a Hunter's Wellington box because I keep important documents up there, and then my bag that I use for work. It's my second day off, so tomorrow I'll go back to work, so that bag is gonna come down. And then yeah, on the side we have some plants, and then do you really want to see what's inside? Maybe I'll show you. Clothing, shoes. It's a bit boring. And then here it's a bit of a mess. Yeah, nothing special. And then we go back to the door. Gosh, I didn't realize how heavy my camera is. My arm is killing me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down below. I'll try and leave a link if I can to some of the things I have, just in case you guys are wanting to get them yourself. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed seeing my room, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.